La yada, da.
Time to get to work now, yes indeed. Got my tools right here for what I need. Right then, time to get this farm running. What are we doing first this morning?
What is this? I wonder what's hiding under here.
Look at all that rust. Imagine the adventures this old guy must have had.
Meet Old Red. For over 50 years, she's been the heart of this farm, a silent witness to countless harvests.
I give you my word, we'll have you up and running again soon. You'll be rumbling through those fields before you know it.
Oh no, look what you did. I guess we're both a little messy now.
The engine was silent, missing a few crucial parts. But Buddy could see the hidden potential just waiting to be repaired.
Jeepers! The tractor is smoking! That doesn't look good at all! The ignition is failing due to these fractured plugs. Next, the transmission gears are completely rusted solid. And finally, a complete disconnection of the primary fuel line. Well, this is a real challenge, all right. But if we work together, there's nothing we can't fix. Let's see, inventory check. 3 bags of oats, 2 bales of hay, and approximately 12 very curious chickens. I knew we could do it! The tractor is officially fixed! We make a great team, everyone! And that's how we get it done, folks. I know we can do it. Let's move out and make this barn good as new.
Buddy and the gang worked tirelessly, tightening bolts and oiling hinges until finally the big red tractor
fun.
And just like that, the rusty old tractor was radiant once more.
Okay, tires, oil, battery. Wait a second. The fuel line! We forgot the fuel line! How do I get this unstuck? Maybe the pulley or the wrench? Wait, the rope! Yes, the rope! I've got it! Perfect!
With a little clever thinking, Buddy got the old tractor running again. No expensive tools required.
Come on, big fella. Let's make some magic happen.
Come on, old friend. You can do it. Please start for us.
Whoop! Yeah! And so, the magnificent tractor returns to the fields of Buddy Farm, shining brightly in the afternoon. Wow, this is amazing! It's history and future combined.
Caring for our tools, both the old and the new, shows respect not just for the object, but for the work they help us do. Remember, we must cherish our tools. If we take the time to mend them when they break, they will surely last longer and help us in return.
The enduring spirit of Buddy Farm lives not just in the land, but in the love, care, and respect we show for it every day.
Well, that's it for today at Buddy Farm. Join me again soon for more fun and adventures. Get ready, because even more Buddy Farm adventures await. We're gonna have so much fun together, I promise.
Buddy Farm, work, fun, and farm life.